So you're thinking about starting an online business. Most people trying to start an online business right now are being lied to. And not always on purpose, but they're being sold business models that sound easy on camera and fall apart the second a real beginner, a real human, tries to actually make them work. Drop shipping, TikTok shop, affiliate marketing, Amazon automation, AI side hustles, selling on Walmart, and building your own brand. Every week, there's a new, easiest way to make money online. And after a while, it all starts to sound the same. Everybody says their thing is the easiest. Every guru says their thing is the future. Everybody says you're one funnel or one product or one side hustle away from changing your financial life. But here's the problem. You don't need another hype video. You need something that actually works, and you need someone who has actually been in e-commerce long enough to tell you the truth. I'm Tim Helbush. It's hard to believe, but I've been in e-commerce for over 25 years. For the last 10 years, I've been the lead instructor at ALGO Online Retail. We are a community of over 30,000 e-commerce entrepreneurs across the US, Canada, and Mexico. And over the years, I've seen this industry from every single angle. I've seen what works. I've seen what sounds good, but quietly ends up blowing up in your face for beginners. I've seen good, hardworking people waste months, sometimes years, trying to piece together everything online. They watch YouTube videos, Reddit threads, old courses, they get bad advice, they make mistakes. And it drives me crazy because starting an online business is not impossible. It's not magic. You do not need to be some tech genius or have 20 grand sitting around to get started. Just this week, I had more than a dozen new members in our ALGO community make their first sales online. Not because they're lucky, but because they had a clear path and they followed it. That's why this week I'm hosting a brand new free training on how to start an FBA Amazon business in today's market. There's a link down there to get registered. And I want it to be really clear. This is not an Amazon automation where I promise to do all of it for you. This is not me telling you to pay me and you'll become a millionaire by Monday. This takes actual work. And this is not me trying to sell you some $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 done for you program. This is the same training I would give my friends, my brother, my family, if they came to me and said, Tim, I want to start something real online that actually works. I'm tired of being confused. What would you actually do to help me get started today? This is what I would tell them. What's working right now? What business models I would avoid? What has changed in the last 6 months with Amazon fees, AI, TikTok, supply chains, and the e-commerce market? How are beginners getting their first sales? This is all the information I would give my family. How people are starting with a couple $1,000s, not some ridiculous bankroll. Because here's the truth. The opportunity to build a real Amazon business is still there. And in fact, in my opinion, this might be the best time since COVID to start an Amazon business. But old advice is not going to cut it. The marketplace has changed. The tools have changed. The competition has changed. Amazon has changed. And if you're trying to start an online business from information that's 2, 3, 4, 5 years old, you're probably going to make this way harder than it needs to be. So if you've been thinking about starting an online business before you buy another course, before you chase another trend, before you spend another night trying to figure this out on your own, just spend 90 minutes with me. It's free. I'll show you what to do. If I were starting from scratch today, I'll show you what we're seeing right now inside our community, and I'll help you decide if Amazon FBA is actually the right path for you. Because the worst thing you can do is waste another 6 months being interested but still confused. So click the link, get registered for the free training, and come get a clear answer from someone who's been doing this for over 25 years. Click the link, get registered, save your seat. I'll see you soon.